Today we will discuss multiple operation on a signal. Basic signal operations you people know, that is shifting, scaling, folding. Okay, means if x of t is a continuous time signal, then x of t plus t0 known as a time advance, x of t minus t0 known as time delay, x of at is known as a time scaling, x of minus t known as a time folding of a signal. And if you want to write a amplitude scaling, then it is a x of t, amplitude scaling. Clear? Now how to do multiple operation on a single signal. Let a signal is given like this. This is our continuous time signal x of t. Now find x of 2t plus 2, x of 2t minus 2, x of minus 2t plus 2, x of minus 2t minus 2. These 4 questions, if you understand this 4 question, you can do any signal operation. This is the multiple. If you see here, time scaling is there, shifting is there. Okay, and in this second 2 case, folding also there. Means shifting, scaling, folding, all operations are applying in a single signal. Whenever this type of problem you will see, then I will give one simple formula. You have to follow that. The formula is shifting. Formula means the order. What is the order you have to follow? Shifting, then scaling, okay, then folding. Shifting, scaling, then folding. Now take first question. How to find x of 2t plus 2. Now I want to apply this sequence. Shifting, scaling, folding means first x of t is given. Then what is the next step? Next step is shifting. Shifting means x of t plus 2. Then scaling, x of 2t plus 2. Shifting means initial t. Shifting means if you see here, this is plus 2 part is there. So blindly x of t plus 2 you have to find. Then after that scaling means 2 is multiplied to t. So x of 2t plus 2. Okay. Now if you go for folding, then what? T replaced by minus t, then it will come x of minus 2t plus 2. So this is the sequence to solve this type of problem. Now just follow this sequence. What you will get? Now I will show you here. That is easy. This is your x of t. X of t plus 2. T plus 2 means it's advance. Advance means it will shift left hand side. How much unit? 2 unit. Then what will happen? It will shift left hand side 2 unit, means this minus 2 become minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, and this 0 become 0 minus 2, minus 2, and 2 become 2 minus 2, 0, because x of t is shifting left hand side 2 unit. Clear? So this is your x of t plus 2. Now what is x of 2t plus 2? X of 2t plus 2 means divide each limit by scaling factor 2. Then it is minus 4 by 2. This is minus 2 by 2. And this is 0 by 2. Okay. So what will get? This is your minus 2, minus 1, 0. So this is your x of 2t plus 2. There is no change of amplitude. Okay, so this is your x of 2t plus 2. This problem is over. Now if you go the folding part, then what you will do? This is x of 2t plus 2, then x of minus 2t plus 2. X of minus 2t plus 2 means simple fold the signal x of 2t plus 2. Then what will get? Folding means take left hand side or negative side to right positive side, and take positive side to negative side, or simple rotate the signal with respect to y axis. This is your y axis. Rotate it clockwise or anti-clockwise with respect to y axis. Then what will get? This is become 0. This is 1. This become 2. This negative part become positive. Similarly, if any positive part is there, then it become negative. And this is your x of minus 2t plus 2. I hope you people clear how to find. X of t is given, then I follow this shifting, then x of t plus 2, because in this question we have to find x of 2t plus 2. This plus 2 is the shifting part. Then scaling part multiply with t means x of 2t plus 2, because 2 is multiplied with t. Then folding part x of minus 2t plus 2. Okay, x of t plus 2 means it is a advance shift left hand side by 2 unit. Then this limit will change. When you will shift left hand side by 2 unit, it become minus 4. This 0 become 0 minus 2 minus 2. Then 2 become 2 minus 2 0. Then 2t plus 2, when you do time scaling, you know that simple divide is time limit by the scaling factor. Here the scaling factor is 2. So that's why minus 4 by 2, minus 2 by 2, 0 by 2, and finally fold the signal with respect to y axis. You will get x of minus 2t plus 2. Always follow this order what I given to find or to solve multiple operation on a single signal. Now this part is over. Then you can go for the next question. Same x of t. Now we have to find x of 2t minus 2 and x of minus 2t minus 2. Process same. What is our sequence? Shifting, then scaling, then go for folding. So now for x of 2t minus 2, what is the sequence? X of t, then we have to find x of t minus 2 shifting part, then scaling part x of 2t minus 2. Then if you want to go for folding also, x of minus 2t minus 2, like this. Clear? Now this is your x of t. I will show you in diagram. Now t minus 2 means advance. Advance means it will shift right hand side. Now shift this x of t signal right hand side by 2 unit. Then what you will get? This minus 2 become minus 2 plus 2 0. 0 become 0 plus 2 2. 2 become 2 plus 2 4, because it is shifting right hand side by 2 unit. There is no change of amplitude. Then x of 2t minus 2, scaling means divide is time limit by scaling factor 2. Then this 0 become 0 by 2, 2 become 2 by 2, 4 become 4 by 2. That is what you are getting, 0 1 2. There is no change of amplitude. And finally folding part, here fold with respect to y axis. Okay, this is the y axis. Now rotate clockwise or anti-clockwise with respect to y axis. Then what will get? Simple, the positive value become negative. If any negative value, then it become positive. Then this is your 0, this is a minus 1, this is minus 2. Simple, you are rotating with respect to y axis. You rotate either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Okay, like this you will get this one. There is no change of amplitude. This is your x of minus 2t minus 2. Okay, I hope you people understand the multiple operation on a single signal. Now whatever the signal will give, always try to follow this shifting, scaling and folding property to solve the problem on multiple operation. Thank you.